Northshield. And I do not get to hide behind Jose at this event, so my young daughter wanted to sing, but I'm going to sing with her in support. So we're going to sing a song you may know. It's a compact between horse and man. We cut out a couple of verses, because they make me cry. But we're going to be singing most of it. And if you know it, please feel free to sing along. Hear anything, Beatrice, anything you want to say?
No.
Ready? My ancestors pulled chariots upon the Irish plain, through din and crush of battle, with foes' blood on hoof and mane. They led the Hound of Ulster with the lightning on his brow. If you respect my bloodline, I'll consent to bear you now. Yes, if you respect our compact, I'll consent to bear you now. Crusaders from the west to kill Aslan unawares, when 1,000 Frankish stallions met 1,000 Turkish mares. Two armies learned a lesson under battle-dusted skies. If you deny my nature, you are in for a surprise. Yes, if you deny our compact, you are in for a surprise. Do not think that you command me, not think that I am tame. My spirit is not broken, I do not serve in shame. Though we jointly share the bounty that our ancient pact conferred, respect is what you promised, and you must keep your word. A saddle with a stirrup and a short bow in the hand are needed for survival in this cold and arid land. But the sky goes on forever with the sons of Tumonkin. Respect me as an ally, I'll accept you as my kin. Yes, if you respect our compact, I'll accept you as my kin. Whether pulling plow or chariot, my work you know full well. I'll bear a heavy burden, or I'll bring you safe from hell. Though I'm eager to charge in wherever hunt or war sounds. Give me my proper value, or I'll leave you on the ground. Yes, if you deny our compact, I will leave you on the ground. Do not think that you command me, nor think that I am tame. My spirit is not broken, I do not serve in shame. Though we jointly share the bounty that our ancient pact conferred, respect is what you promised, and you must keep your word. Yes, we jointly share the bounty that our ancient pact conferred, but if you would keep my service, then you must keep your word.